Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will walk you through how to manually create workspace in Azure portal. As you can see, and this is the main dashboard. And this is the first step in setting up your machine learning environment in Azure. In the upcoming videos, we will cover how to do this step via Azure CLI version 2, Python SDK version 2, and as well as the most important step, or let's say method, is using Azure Pipeline DevOps. So let's get started with this uh, creating a workspace. So a workspace, it just a workspace. It called Azure Machine Learning. As you can see here, this is only a short review. Let's see. I have also introduced this. I explained this in one video. So as you can see here, this is our workspace. Our workspace here, it's a machine learning. And once we have create this, let's see, create a resource group, a workspace, some other dependencies will be created automatically, like Azure storage, Azure key, and application inside. And the other manage, for instance, manage resources, linked services, and assets. We have to create this, let's see, manually if we need to use it in our workspace. And let's get started with how to create Azure Machine Learning. Let's see, this is the main dashboard, or the main the home directory. And sometimes these icons here, or these services, are not showing up here. So what you can do, if not see, there are two different ways to get this. So either searching uh searching here, machine learning, and you can see it's here. And if you can click as well here, and the other one is go to this list, and all resources, click on all resources. No, sorry, click on all services, then click AI plus machine learning, and you can find it here. You can see, just click view. So let's go back to the dashboard. Here's a machine learning workspace. So I'll try to create this workspace. You have to click here and choose new workspace. So if you have, there are some, let's see, required fields have to be filled up. So the first one is subscription. You can select your subscription. Here I have only one. And resource group. Yeah, in the resource group, as I explained in my previous videos, resource groups is like a home, and this machine learning or workspace and the storage and the other services are inside this home, and the workspace is like umbrella. I mean resource group, and the workspace inside this resource group. And because I have already uh, have some other some resource groups already created, I will choose this one here. But in case you haven't done this before, you have to click here to create a new resource group. So to create a new resource group, you can just give a name. But I will just select this one here. I also upload some other videos in the playlist. You can have a look how to create the resource group with the 4 steps, with manually like this, and Python or CLI, and also Azure Pipeline. So now let me select this group, resource group, and for the workspace, I will just name it as workspace demo 01. It's valid name, you can see here. And the region has to be selected. The region has to be identical to the resource group. And let's see, this one is already selected, because when I chose this one here, it already selected. But if you don't know which region in your workspace, you can go to the main directory. and open the resource groups. See, for instance, this one here, and the location is East USA. Now, as I said, this storage account, key fold, and application insight will be created automatically, as I showed you here in this slide here. This and the Azure container, it's not required, so it will be none. So let's see the networking. The networking, just keep the default. I mean, it's nothing to do with it work. It's currently work. This is the encryption identity. So if you see somehow we can't click here. I mean, select anything here. It's disabled. And the tags is like to categorize your resources. So yeah, here you can see enable you to categorize resources and view link by applying the same tags. But for me now, it's not important, and you can just select whatever you want. Now create and valid. It's now validating if everything is fine. Do I have the permission to create? For creating, yeah, I just forgot to mention it in the beginning. To create a resource group, you have to have account like this, and also accessing to Microsoft Azure, and you have the permission Atlas contributor to create resources, Workspace or any other services. Let me just click create, and as you can see, is initializing, submitting deployment, and it will create. If everything is fine, it should be created. I mean, deployment, it takes much, somehow, few minutes. Now it's creating the other resources, the dependencies. The dependencies like storage account and yeah, and application inside, yeah. And you can see now it's already almost created. Let me go back to the dashboard, and you can see here it's already created. And this is our workspace. And to go to the, yeah, we already in the workspace. Now, if you click here, Launch Studio, you can go to the Machine Learning Studio, and from here you can choose the notebook, automated ML designer, data and jobs, component pipelines, and all of these components, all of this list, we will cover it in the next videos. But today it's just only how to show you how to create workspace. I want just to make the video short as I can. Thanks for listening and see you next time.